Guys, it's your girl NiNi Court and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, you already know what to do. What is it? Okay, you got it. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below. So you guys, clearly I have a different hairstyle. I have in some braids that I did myself. I was a little too lazy, so I didn't feel like braiding it all the way down. So I decided to just braid down like, you know, half of the hair and then just curl the rest. So yeah, and then I have black in the back, and then I have some brown in the front. So today what I will be doing a no scrunchy needed hairstyle video thingy mabob jig. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video yet, but it's gonna come to mind. I just thought, you know, like most of the hairstyle that you need to do, whether you want to pin it up, whatever you want to do, you usually need some type of scrunchie, some type of bobby pin or anything to hold the hairstyle up. But no, not for today. So today I'm actually going to show you how I do a lot of my hairstyles without any scrunchies. And this is just like a fun, you know, especially for my girls with braids out here. It's summertime. Don't nobody want to have their hair out. Everybody wants low maintenance. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you how to finesse. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I actually like this little look that I have right now. So I have, oh, by the way, if you want to see this makeup look, go ahead and select on my video that I posted before this one. So just go ahead and check that out if you want to see details on this look. Thank you. Okay, back to what I was saying though. So yeah, I think this look is really cute. Like if you want to have your hair down. So my hair is really long. It's all the way like a little past my butt. I could like just show you real quick. Yeah. So yeah, this hair is really long. So for those who have longer hair, these styles will be really easy for you because we're gonna just be using gravity and the hair. That's it. We're not gonna use scrunchie. Okay, so right now I actually have like this little look that I'm trying to do right now. Is to the side, most of it is to the side and to the back, none is in the front. But then I just bring these two little braids to the front to show that it is black, because majority of my hair is like this lightish brown color. So I bring this to the front just to give you a little, you know, give me a little color tease, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, she dipped in the palette type stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, so yeah, so I have this little style. This is really cute. You don't need a scrunchie for this. You don't need a scrunchie for anything, so I'm not going to keep on saying that. But yeah, so yeah, this is cute. So yeah, so you can either have it like this. So this is like style 1. This is a really cute style. If you have any color in your hair, anything like that, you want to bring the curls right here real quick, give them some hair tea, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna show you all the down hairstyles first, and then that's when I'll go to like putting it up and like doing different stuff with that. So this is style 1. Get a good look. I don't know how many styles I'm gonna show you, but we'll see. We'll just come back and discuss how many styles I'm about to do, because we could do something like this. I don't usually like these middle part looking joints, majigs. You could do this. You could just do this, like, you know, got the middle part going on, just nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know what I'm saying, like nothing too crazy, just simple like this, down. So this is style 2, just down, style 2. So for our next style, we're actually gonna do this. You know, like this. Have some hair out here, have the rest back there, so you just have this out. This is cute. It's real cute, actually. It's cute, especially if you have any hairstyles like this that have you know, that little real hair look. I don't really know what I'm trying to say. Like if you have like bohemian braids, locks, anything like that. If you have any type of curly hair, anything like, just like, you could do these with regular braids, but if you do have the curls and stuff, it'll look like, you know, a little more bigger, a little more volumized, a little more dramatic. So yeah. So this is it. Little cute little, yeah. And make sure you do your edges. You don't want to have taco meat out here. That's not cute. Okay. This. Okay. And what we could do this. We could do this. We could put this in the bag. By the way, these are really easy hairstyles, so don't be like, oh, this was just so simple, because a lot of people just didn't know, and a lot of people want ideas, so I'm here to give you the ideas. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the ups, you know what I'm saying, like up. Okay, so here we're just gonna take like a good half, you know what I'm saying. Oh, by the way, I keep on looking back over here because I do have a mirror right here, just in case you didn't know. So we're just gonna do this. We're gonna put this up. On both sides and in the middle. We're just gonna do like a nice little portion. So we're gonna have it like this. It's gonna be this much chunk of hair. It's gonna look like this, kinda. So yeah, do that. And then what we're gonna do with this part right here, this long part, we're just gonna twist it. So we're gonna twist it like this. So let me show you exactly what I'm doing. So I have this part, right? This part, twist it, and then hold this down. So you just twisted this part, you twist it, you hold this so it won't untwist. You could do something like that. You could take a piece of hair, have it like this if you want to be on your little Dijonais tees from Proud Family. You know, you want to do that. That's kind of cute. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could do that. But so yeah, twist this, and then you're just gonna you're gonna get this hair. You're just gonna wrap around. Don't wrap around. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now we got a nice little bun happening. Let's clean this up a little bit because you don't want it looking any type of sloppy. Okay, so yeah, this is half up, half down. This is half up, half down. This is really cute if you don't want all of your hair up, but you also don't want it in your face. It's hot, it's summer right now, so that would be a good idea. This is a nice little go-to hairstyle. You don't want to do too much. So it's gonna look like this. Two things right here. Okay, so two things, and then we're just gonna do this. So have it on, not all the way at the top, but like a little to the side, almost directly in the middle of the side and the top of your head. Just go ahead and right here. And so we're just gonna do one first, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the half up, half down. We're gonna twist it. We're gonna hold this up, get it to the point you want it, twist this, pull bun together. See, I'm getting smaller, and then just tuck it in somewhere. And it's actually tight, so you don't have to worry about it getting loose. So boom, that's one. And we're gonna do the same thing to this one. One thing about me, like, whenever I do something to one side, it'd be so hard for me to try to do it again. I don't know, what is it about? Oops. So I'm starting to feel this get a little loose, so I'm gonna redo that one. This is actually cute. Like, why don't I wear stuff like this? I don't know. I really, honestly, to be honest, don't come for me, but I really thought this like hairstyle just looked so childish. So I never like really got into it, but this is cute. All right, Brittany, you got one more time to knock this other one, because I'm not redoing it. I'm not. It's 2 buns, half down, giving Mickey Mouse tease. Okay. Rock it. Because I know, like, if I put my mind to something, I can rock it too. So if you want to, go ahead. So what we're going to do with the rest of the hair back here, we're going to take 2 strings, like from the top almost. And we're just going to wrap this around. We're going to hold it in our hand. Just going to wrap it around. And yeah, this is another style. Okay, let's undo these now. So gather all your hair all the way. Make sure there's no braids that are twisted, loose, or anything like that, because you will see it. Go ahead and grab the whole head, right? And then hold it right here. So you can also do this. You can do this, right? You can have like a really high, you know, Barbie ponytail. This is really cute. I'm actually gonna do this. So we're gonna do the Barbie ponytail. So I'm gonna take a string in the back. I'm gonna take a few strings in the back and in the middle. And then I'm gonna just hold this and let everything else do its thing, okay? Woo! Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. This is really adorable. This is like an Ariana Grande type look. So yeah, you have your high ponytail. High pony. It's a bun. So I just took all of the hair that was, you know, hanging, which is all of it. And then I'm taking it and I could have some hair out, probably. Ooh, ooh, ooh. String out, and then you have this hairstyle. So yeah, that's all I have time for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like and go ahead and comment. And all of my social medias is under my description bar, and it's also under the video, like right under here. So go ahead and add me, follow me, all that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found a new way to do your hair. If you're running out of hairstyles, if you have braids, dreads, or whatever you have, if you're just running out of hairstyles, I hope this video gave you one idea, or multiple, or all of them, or maybe you'll just do all of them. But yeah, just go ahead and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.